Yes, Massive and Crew back once again with another video, and today's video we're continuing the Akai series with me doing a mod on the Akai S950. Bit of an in-depth video, just thought I'd vlog it along as I went along. And yeah, today I'm still working on modding the HXC emulator. I'm going to show you the process of what I went through. You know, it's keeping it real out here, man. This is what I do, man. I get stuck into these samplers. I go in, I spend all my time literally experimenting for you guys. So please guys, smash that like button, and also if you want to see more videos like this, I will keep on uploading Akai videos. I've also got Emu as well, sampler, that I want to just jump on and do as well, and also still got to get onto the Atari ST videos as well. Yeah guys, so without further ado, let's get into it. Disconnect this and then disconnect this and then connect the HXC. Now I have no idea if the jumper settings will work, but we're going to give it a go. So guys, taking the cables off, floppy cable out, something rattling around there, I don't know what it is, and then take the power cable out. Right, there's one more screw that's kind of stuck in there, I can see it. Okay, that's that removed. I don't know what's clanking, something clanking around in my drive, I don't know what it is. Wait, that sounds like money. What? There's money in my drive. Darted. What is that doing in there? Look. What is that? There was an old... Hold on. Let me have a look at this. Holy shit, how did that get in there? It's an old Bank of Indonesia 1998. Oh crap. RP 100 rupee. Karpan Sat. Whatever that is. Look. Now that's crazy. Anyway, back into it. I'm assuming I'm going to need this mount for it to work, because I'm going to need this. I'm going to need to reuse this mount, no doubt. Alright, so I'm going to unscrew that screw. There's only 4 screws usually holding this mount in, but this one's come out, and I don't know why. Maybe I've removed something I'm not supposed to. Who knows? Right, so I'm going to take that. There's a bit of shield in there. Get this going. Right, so pop that in there. Now, let's see what happens here. I'm going to connect this up. I hope I got this a bloody right way around now. And I'm assuming that goes there. And this sits on there like that. I'm just going to get the fitting right for the time being. I'm just going to see how this works. So if I put these 4 screws on here, put my finger through here. Firstly, let me just see how this thing slides in place. So it's going to be sitting like that, or is it the other way around? Yeah, I think it sits. I think it sits this way around, with the hole at the back. Because then, from what I can see, the screws should line up better then. Yeah, screw holes line up better, I think. Yeah, that's the one, I think. Or is it? Hold on. Okay, so that's going to go there. There's a couple of holes there. That's going to go like that, I guess. That's the cleaner side. Then fit the drive on there like that. Some shielding there. I don't even know if you still need that, because this is plastic. You know what? Get rid of that. Make life easier. Right, let me see. So I'm assuming that will go there. Yep, I think I've got it. That goes there, that goes there. Line up these screws here. 1, 2, these screw holes. 3, 4, and then put your screws in from your Gotek. Okay, right, here we go. 4 screws. 1 there. This is going to be very tricky, because there's like 4 holes here as well on the bottom, and I'm guessing that's what you have to screw back into. Oh shit, just dropped that. Right, now I've got to find out where to put the EEPROM chips to upgrade them. I might just try that in another video, but I might as well just get it out of the way while I've got this thing taken apart, I think. But first things first, emulator working first. You know, let me get my headlight on. Old people can't see what they're doing. Right, battery's going on a cam, guys. Right, so you get the drift. I'm going to put these 4 screws in. Okay, guys, so all 4 screws are in now. So now it's just a case of adding the ribbon cable, which looks upside down to me. Now the notch is there, so I would say this goes this way up. Just make sure the notch lines up. There's a little notch here. Let's try it with the notch lining up, because it looks like it goes the other way around, but I'm pretty sure that it's got to be flipped for that to work. Let's see what happens if I plug it in now. The problem is I don't have a kettle lead for this Akai, so now I'm going to have to pop this in here to test it with the regular jumper settings. Okay guys, so I'm now going to put the heat sink screws on just to hold it in place, because this is the power board and I don't want to risk anything touching that's not meant to be touching, the earth and all that, because that could cause me to lose this Akai baby for good. So I'm going to put the heat sink screws back in where they belong, line this all back up again. Okay, heat sink one in. Now I'm just going to tack it, because I'll put 2 heat sink screws in for now. Only because I just want to know if this works, and I've got the HXC cable round the right way. So when I switch this on, I want to see what happens next. I'm going to have to put the base back on as well. And I want to also investigate this EPROM situation. Right, that one there and that one there. Put my power bracket back in. Slide in place one. Right, so that's ready to test. Let's see what happens. So guys, so on the bottom here, I've just noticed, yeah, that there's a little, oh no, is that scuzzy? No way, has that got scuzzy on it? Let me have a good look at this, because it did say park hard disk, which means that this has scuzzy. Holy crap. If this has scuzzy, right, then that means that you can connect a hard drive to it, or even a compact flash reader thingy-majiggy. Okay guys, so my Akai is now ready to turn on. Let's see what happens. GoTech comes on, power's on. Oh, okay, it says ribbon cable may be upside down. Okay, so let's so it's definitely seeing that as upside down. Okay, so let's go back in and flip it around the correct way. Okay guys, just for the record, you know, don't do like what I just did there. Make sure your groove part of your ribbon cable is facing upwards. Ignore the groove on your actual HXC, because for some reason it says the cable's upside down when you install it the correct way around. So I'm going to try it like that and see what happens. Okay, Akai S950 test with the cable the other way around, part 2. Ah, okay, so it's seeing that now. Okay, so now what I've got to do is put some samples on there. Okay guys, so I have definitely some working S950 images here, right? But when I put them into my GoTech, currently it's not reading the discs. So, okay, look, for example, hardcore disc 950, I click on that. And, oh wow. That was weird. I had to adjust my screen for the first time. That's actually quite clear memory load disk. And then it will say disk is unprepared, you must format it. Right, so I'm going to try something else now. I think this could be a config file issue. Okay guys, so that didn't really work. As you can see, I think it's a jumper issue personally. So I'm going to remove one of the jumpers and try that. Yes mate, working. Look at that. Oh my days. we got it working. It's the jumpers. Right, guys. All sorted, mate. Distro hardcore, load sample. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What a mission. Clear memory, load disk. Hey? Wait. Distro hardcore 950. Let's try that again. Clear memory, load disk. Okay, that was weird because it just worked. Alright, maybe that disk is no good. Try that one. Yeah, that's working. Alright, certain discs are working, certain discs are not. But that's a minor. So guys, there you have it. Akai HXC working 100%. I'm going to run some more tests with it now. The HXC running perfectly from what I can see here. Maybe I'm going to start using the eject button. Hardcore flavor. Try that one. Yep, makes a buzz. Load samples. Seeing samples. Clear memory, load disk. That's the one, mate. Look at that. Oh shit. What? Huh. Okay. Bit temperamental. Why is it temperamental then? I don't want to load that sample. Oh wow, no. Okay, it's kind of working, but it's not working perfectly. So guys, this video is to be continued. I hope you enjoyed it, peeps. Yeah, so as you see, the process went a little bit ski-whiff at the end there. But, you know, work in progress. Peace out.